These longer control sticks are compatible with DJI's FPV drone remote, as well as the RC Pro, which is what I'll be using to fly the Mavic 3. DJI's sticks are about 19.5mm tall. The longer sticks are adjustable from about 28.5 to 33mm. Using a water tower as my subject and the 7x telephoto lens on the Mavic 3, I did my best to orbit around as smoothly as possible using DJI's control sticks. As you can see, I did not get any usable footage. Going the other direction, however, I actually wasn't too bad. With these two results in mind, let's see how much of an immediate improvement the longer sticks make. Going clockwise, I got much more usable footage, although not perfect. Orbiting anti-clockwise gave me a slight improvement over my previous attempt in this direction. Since I did my initial orbits without practicing first, I decided to try once more with DJI's shorter sticks to give them another chance. This time, the footage was much more usable when flying with DJI sticks after having practiced a couple times, but I felt that I could make smaller adjustments more easily and orbit faster and closer while using the longer third-party sticks. These flights confirmed two things for me. With practice, you can fly smoothly with DJI's sticks. Adjusting the expo settings might also help, but the longer sticks are a quick and easy way to get a smoother end result. They aren't necessary though. They don't fit on the underside of the RC Pro, and they're too long even at their shortest length to fit nicely in this Sinova Mavic 3 backpack case. But for just over $10, you really can't go wrong with these longer control sticks. They get the job done, and having an extra set of sticks in your bag might come in handy as well. I'll leave a link in the description if you'd like to give them a try. Thanks for watching Ready Set Drone.